Okay, so this one, I can't feature all 80 plants or herbs and lettuces, but itong sorrel is called the red vein sorrel, and Miss Sham made me try the small portions. It's so citrusy. Um, Iba yung character niya for a salad, so maasim-asim siya, and it's really nice. Okay, so I can only say good things about this agri farm. And thank you, Engineer Joseph Mendoza, for really insisting I come here. So sad Chef Elmer cannot see this, but he will schedule his visit. The last item of the farm that I'd like to show you in this greenhouse will be the Christmas kale. Imagine there's a Christmas kale, beautiful leaves, and then before I go, I'm gonna show you the microgreens that we normally use at the orchard for plating, and it's really wonderful. I'm so excited. I'm in awe. Coming to this place, I'm just speechless. Nagpapadap na ako sa kanila eh. Hindi na ako uuwi. So anyway, let's see the Christmas kale.